is Ella and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon garland made absolutely from foil Milo balloons and bubble balloons, no latex balloons. And as a skeletal structure, I'm going to use PVC pipes. For the balloon garland, in order to attach the bunches of foil balloons, we need to create the skeletal structure. So for attaching these pipes, see they are not straight because I use them for something else in my past projects. So I'm going to be using PVC pipes. In order to protect the wall, I'm going to use this masking tape. And on top of the masking tape, I'm going to use the tab. They call the tab. So watch me, I'm going to start. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how we blow up a foil balloon and seal the hole afterwards. Pump. Carefully insert it into the hole and just blow it up. Once it's filled up, you get some tape. About this much. Cut it. Now, where the hole is, you tape right on top and just tuck it in. Just like so. And that's it. It will stay longer. This is how they look. Now I just have to repeat for all these colors.
So why are you closing the hole with the tape?
So that they last longer.
Exactly.
And so that the air does not come out.
Try to connect them as we usually connect the latex balloons. So making quadruplets when we connect 2 and 2 together. I think I was showing before. When you connect one balloon, doesn't matter, it can be a balloon ribbon. When you tie one balloon, always make 2 knots, okay? Then you take the second balloon and again tie the balloon ribbon to the tail, and then 2 balloons tied together. And then 2 and 2 makes 4. And we'll see what happens. Unfortunately, didn't work, but we're not giving up. We'll make it happen. So when you tie the balloon ribbon to each balloon, then you tie these two together and then another two together and make quadrants. Stay with me, I'm going to show you how to make a bunch. So you see I connected these two. Now I will connect another two. Stay with me because it's very important how to make a quadrants, okay? Quadrants meaning 4 balloons tied together as a bunch. Instead of balloon ribbon, you could of course use, like I mentioned before, half of the 160 balloon, or you could use a balloon ribbon. One of each would be tied together. Okay. Always make 2 or 3 knots to make sure it's secure. Now we have 2 and 2, and we're making the bunch by twisting them.
Okay. So by twisting them 1 or 2 times, carefully because so they will pop. You twist them and you got another bunch. Okay. So we'll be creating many bunches. All right. So let's go. Tying them together, making bunches and making like a puffy balloon garland. It's not done yet. So the good thing that we made a very smart choice of putting the gorilla strong tape around the entrance of the balloon. So this way the balloon will last for a long, long time. From my experience, it might even last for 6 months. But you have to put the gorilla tape at the entrance of the balloon.
We finished the starburst balloon. We're going to show you how to attach the starburst balloon to the garland. This is it so far. Coming out good.
Just pick a tip of the starburst balloon, any tip actually, any tip you want. I'm using 160 to tie the tip of the starburst balloon. Tie it like 2 or 3 knots and connect at your desired spot. So I would think maybe would work carefully, as we can. As carefully as we can. Oh. Something like that. So we are putting some underwater stars and fishes and turtles.
Small details.
Small details, yeah, just trying to finish up here. Trying to think where to put. What do you think would be the best spot to put? Huh? Maybe here? Maybe? Just tying to a fishing line and...
Maybe here on the hook. Oh yeah.
But you see, you cannot really see. If we put it right here, then we will be able to see, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it here.
All foil. Have some dolphins. They're so cute. And there are the stars. We tied the dolphins to a fishing line that are connected to these little weights, so they will fly. How are you liking it so far?
Well, so far I do like it. So today is the second day of our project, and we're gonna add some more details. So we decided to put number 1 in the middle, next to the birthday boy, and I would like to add this pretty detail to number 1. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use that kind of metal hook. I even don't know where I bought it. I think some kind of floral details. So I'm gonna add this beautiful part to number 1. Simply insert inside. Just push it through. Push it through. This video. If you like it, please subscribe down below, and please follow me on Instagram. Thank you, and I will list all of the products I use for this beautiful design down below. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye, see you next time.
You will be ready.